Back, members and passengers, you are now tuned into the PDL Express, and I am your skipper D Life. We're here with a new video, another crypto video. It is August the 23rd, and that's right. You've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title, crew members. Every week, at least once or twice out of the week, I am updating my channel about the king of crypto. I do think that you got to pay homage to BTC. If it wasn't for BTC, none of us would not be here in this space. So shout out to Bitcoin and all the Bitcoin moxies out there. So I've been making it a habit to just track the token, track the charts, get into a trade, and just let you know my bias, whether I may be short or long. So if you like this type of content, I don't know, I guess we could call it somewhat trading content. It's not our usual DeFi, DGen type of content. So let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that great stuff for me. Click the bell so you get the future video notifications. And today's video is only entertainment and education purposes only. Whew. All right, let's hop in. All right, so now I'm on my BINGX account, and BINGX is an exchange. If you do not know what it is all about, you could go on here and click the link. It is in the description. You could trade on BINGX, and you could do all kinds of great stuff. And you don't need any KYC starting up. Yeah, so check it out if you're interested. Now, members, this is D-Lice's little bit of TTA that I've been doing. So I want to see if I could zoom in a little bit so you crew members and passengers could see what I am thinking about. Is there any way we could zoom in? Nope. That's zooming out. Nope. Nope. That's opening up the chart. That's closing it. You gotta excuse me. I'm a little rusty at these charts here. But you know what? Okay, here it is. Long story short, remembers. So if you're seeing this, just note the color of the lines. Red, of course, is crucial. Blue is good. Right now, crew members, in our blue right here, as you can see, possibly, we may be having a ascending channel being created right here. Now, as you can see, I've got two different scenarios here, crew members and passengers, a long and a short position, because you got to choose, like the thumbnail says, red or blue pill. Which one are you going to take? Well, that's what D-Life is deciding on. So as you can see, I've, pretty much drafted this blue ascending channel right here, and I've also got these two blue lines here. Now, D-Life, what are those two blue lines? Remember, we've had this strong support back in 2021, and I do believe that is what we need to break in order to get this potential trade going right here. So a lot of strong support here, now becoming resistance. As you can see, we came up, got rejected, came up again, got rejected, came up again. Now usually it's got to at least be 4 touches if you've been trading, 4 touches, and then we should definitely be seeing a reaction. Now bear in mind, this chart is on the weekly. I'm looking at this at a long-term view, and as you can see, ever since January, we've been in this channel. So this channel is kind of strong. Now, if we break out of this channel, then I could be seeing this red area here being the next target zone, because members, this is crucially red. It's crucial, if that's a word, crucial. This red line is crucial, and you're gonna see right now. That is the 2017 crew members. Wait a minute, slow down, not 2017. That is the 2019 all time, not all time, but 2019 high, and that was very crucial because we had to break that. And once we broke that resistance, we rallied. And I mean, we rallied from 12,000 all the way to, where it went, 65,000. So it is what it is. Very, very, very crucial support. Now, this area here is in blue. Why? That is our 2017 high, members. Who remembers that beautiful 20,000 Bitcoin? Oh man, I just gotta tell a quick story here. I was trading in early 2018, late 2017, and that was the first time I heard about Bitcoin trading forex. And the broker that I was using had account managers, and they're like, you know what, D Life, you should check out Bitcoin. This token is gonna go to 15,000, and you should buy it. We have it now. We're trading it, so why don't you buy it? And I was like, what in the world is Bitcoin? Oh, what is that? Cryptocurrency? What is that? I never heard of it, crew members and passengers. Believe it or not, only thing that I was into when it comes to passive income was YouTube and penny stocks. Shout out to Tim Sykes. Yeah, my boy. Definitely. Uh, that is where I get a lot of my motivation from. And yeah, surprisingly, I did not get the Bitcoin bug. 2012, 2013, I was all about penny stocks to me. I do not know how I did not came across any YouTube Bitcoin videos back then, because I sure would have been much better off right now on this crypto journey, but it is what it is. So, crew members, we could come back to test this area if we break this channel. That is my prediction. And that is a key area because I do think we could get a nice rally from this area. That is a very, very, very strong zone resistance and support, crew members. Even though we broke under it a little bit, we rallied right back above it and we came back up when we got close to this area here. So very, 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 very strong. Very, very strong. So that's why I got both of those in blue and I got this one in red. Those are key areas. Key support, key resistance. Resistance turning into support, now support turning into resistance. So remember, you got to keep an eye out for those levels. And like I said, this is on a broad scale. Um, I'm watching this. We got our first week candle here, and this will be playing out. We're like what, the third day into the week. This doesn't look good right now. We're gonna check it out on the indicators right now. We're gonna see what our indicators are giving us, what signals they're giving us on the weekly, and we're gonna speculate. Like I said, it's all about speculation, all about tracking the king, potentially getting into a trade when there could be a nice potential um, position to get in, a good entry, and yeah, that's what it's all about. So let's see now. How can I go ahead and let's zoom out of this now. Let's zoom out of this one. All right, remember, so we're going to switch to the weekly on the indicators, and we're going to see where we're getting on our indicators there. All right, so on our indicators, we are oversold on the weekly, and the MACD is giving us a, where's our MACD giving us? Wait a minute, I can't see. Our MACD is giving us a, if this is correct, a sell signal. But we're oversold, so this could be maybe some divergence. Uh, it is what it is, and this chart, I do not know why I can't get this chart open or close. Let's maximize. Okay, minimize. Again, I'm rusty on my trading view. Okay, all right, so that's one good thing I want to see. We were not oversold, we're overbought. So now we're going down into selling, and that's why we got this sell signal over on the weekly over here on the MACD. So crew members, of course, my bias is always long, but if you're looking for a potential trade, you've got to make money, whether it's long or short. We could be possibly going back to this zone here. So it could be stop losses up here, and this doesn't look good at the end of the week close. Then we may be going into a short, and gonna probably take a nice quick money grab there and take a quick trade there. But I do think we break this level. Of course, we're going to get down here. And if we break that, then we're going to get down here. and we should see, hopefully, a nice, you know, retrace and maybe back to test this area, or worst case, we're back to a 10,000 Bitcoin crew members and passengers. 13, 20, 17, those numbers all were very strong numbers ever since I started to watch Bitcoin, from 2017 to 2018, really and truly, up until now. We've been at those areas at least 3 times, and had to really fight hard to get past those those numbers. Again, it's all about, now that we've got these institutional investors in Bitcoin, we've got retail, we've got maxis. So, it's all about the business, really and truly. If you have to take profits, you have to take profits. Prices will go down if you sell. Traders are gonna try to trade. They're gonna short. They're gonna long, and it's just like a game, crew members and passengers. So you decide whether you play the game or not, and then you do have some people who will just hold, whether the price is up or down. They're just holding Bitcoin because they just believe that it might be going to 300,000. I do not know, but we could see that we were close. So we got the potential possibly to go back again, and it's only potentially. So, members, that is my thoughts right now on Bitcoin. Now, blue pill, red pill. Which pill are you on? Of course, red is short, blue is long. And like I said, I got my two, you know, right here. If we do break past this high, potentially we could be seeing another high that's around 40,000. I think that would be crazy bullish for Bitcoin. I could definitely see us going back up to test the all-time highs, but we've got to break this zone right here. This zone is like super, super, super strong. We're gonna mark it out right now. We're gonna mark it out. Let's mark it out right now. Let's just put a crosshair because this is a very, very, very targeted area. This support right here, this resistance right here, key, very, 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 very strong. So maybe we could be in this range. Who never knows? And for the future, before we finally decide to break out this. But like I said, between this zone here and this zone here, uh, that will determine Bitcoin for D Life. So those are my thoughts right now in the King. Let me know your thoughts on Bitcoin. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that great stuff. Blue pill, red pill. Let me know which pill you're taking, and I'll greatly appreciate that. And hopefully, I might jump into the intraday to see if there might be a trade opportunity. But for now, I'm just watching, and I'm just, getting myself back into the markets, into trading, into looking at the charts, into doing a little bit of TA, taking the rust off of me, and potentially just hoping to get back into trading, where we know, the only scams that we got are unregulated brokers and scamwex. So I could deal with those other than rug pulls. You know what I mean? From DeFi. All right, like, subscribe, comment, do all that great stuff. Don't forget to click that bell so you can get the future video update. I am over and out. Stay tuned to the next one.